Should I have glasses on?
You should have a helmet on.
We're gonna make it up that hill.
Give it more gas.
The starter wore out by the time you get up the hill.
Give him a push, Tara.
There's your foot thing, Ed. Yeah, that's the exhaust. You don't want to put
He can't reach his foot up there.
Burn your leg up the
Help him out, Terry.
I felt terrible.
Me too.
Okay.
I hope he doesn't get a cramp in his leg.
More gas.
Are you pushing it?
I was.
I can't hold it up.
Carla, just do like you did before.
Just do it.
Lots of clutch, more gas. More gas.
What was that?
Boy, all you do is get the gas. You were going.
Yeah, all you gotta do.
Come on, go up the hill.
Put your feet on the ground, Eddie. She'll feel better. You can stop her. More gas. More gas. Easy on the clutch. Slow on the clutch. More gas.
You gotta keep giving it more gas as you start.
More gas.
Wind it up.
Papa Willie.
More gas.
No.
Let me see it.
I'll tilt it over.
You're just talking. You ain't got belt loops on. You're fresh out of luck.
We're gonna tip over.
You're not going to tip over. Just give it more gas. His feet are down.
Can you scoot back a little? Scoot back a little?
That's the first time in my ass they do that.
We can move forward a little bit.
Easy on the clutch. More gas.
Yeah.
Try going downhill.
No.
Oh my God, no.
More gas.
Wind it up so it's smooth and then let the clutch out.
More gas. Listen,
We're doing good. We're making it up the hill.
just give it lots of gas and keep the clutch in and you're not going to go anywhere.
Taking pictures.
And as the gas goes on, let out on the clutch.
Hold the gas like this. Now let the clutch out.